Hey, Daddy, what do you want to eat for dinner?
Daddy? What the hell?
Absolutely disgusting, by the way.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
Hey, Danny, would you like me to serve you some more?
What did you just say?
Daddy, you want to watch a movie together?
Brother, what's that?
What?
Who are you referring to as?
What's that?
Hey, Daddy, do you want some dinner?
Daddy.
Daddy, are you ready to go?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Good night, Daddy. Daddy? So how do you like dinner, Daddy?
Terrible.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.